Hello, chaps! Welcome to a delicious adventure where flour, sugar, and a sprinkle of fun come together. Today, we're on a quest to make the world's best chocolate chip cookies, crispy on the edges, chewy in the middle, and bursting with chocolatey goodness. Why do we love them so much? Is it nostalgia, or just that irresistible aroma wafting from the oven? Maybe it's the gooey chocolate melting in every bite, or the warm, happy feeling they bring, like a hug you can eat. Cookies are more than just biscuits. They're little circles of joy, famous everywhere, from bustling cities to quiet villages. They bring people together, turning a simple cup of tea or coffee into a celebration, and making memories with every bite. Our mission: capture that magic in our own kitchens, and maybe even create a new family favorite. This isn't just about following a recipe. It's about inventing something wonderful, adding your own twist, and having a bit of fun along the way. So, roll up your sleeves, tie on your apron, and let's get baking together. Don't worry if you've never baked before. I'll guide you step by step, sharing tips and tricks to make it easy and fun. By the end, you'll be a cookie-making champion, ready to impress your friends and family. You'll have a batch of warm, gooey delights to share, or keep for yourself. The choice is yours. Ready for the ultimate cookie quest? Gather your ingredients, bring your best spirit, and let's begin. It's going to be smashing. Let's bake some memories. Every great invention starts with the right parts. For our cookies, you'll need 2 1/4 cups flour, 1 tsp bicarbonate of soda, 1 tsp salt, 1 cup of soft butter, don't melt it, 3 4-cup brown sugar, 1 4-cup white sugar, 2 large eggs, room temperature, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and of course, 2 cups of chocolate chips. Milk, dark or white, your choice. Having everything measured and ready makes baking a breeze. The combination of sugars gives the perfect texture. Eggs and butter at room temperature help everything mix smoothly. Vanilla adds that classic homey aroma. Chocolate chips are the star, never too many. All set? Let's get mixing. Grab a big bowl for the dry ingredients: flour, bicarbonate of soda, and salt. Whisk them together until everything is evenly combined and the mixture looks light and airy. This step is important because it helps distribute the rising agent and salt throughout the flour, ensuring every bite is perfectly balanced. In another bowl, cream the soft butter with both sugars until the mixture is pale, light, and fluffy. Take your time here. Creaming well adds air, which gives your cookies that perfect texture. Watch as the sugar and butter transform into a smooth, creamy base. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition so the batter stays silky and smooth. Then, stir in the vanilla extract, letting its sweet aroma blend right in. This is where the dough starts to smell amazing. Now gently combine the dry and wet mixtures. Use a spatula and fold carefully. Don't overmix. You want the dough to just come together, keeping it tender and soft. A few streaks of flour are fine. Overmixing makes cookies tough. It's better to stop early than to go too far. Trust the process. Fold in your mountain of chocolate chips, making sure they're evenly spread throughout the dough. Every scoop should be packed with chocolatey goodness. The dough should smell divine and look irresistible, glossy, thick, and studded with chocolate chips. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. Mixing is where the magic happens. Air in the butter, smooth eggs, and that final swirl of chocolate. Each step builds flavor and texture, making your cookies truly special. This is your masterpiece in the making. Don't rush. Enjoy the process, and take pride in every step. Baking is as much about the journey as the result. The right mix means chewy, tender cookies with just the right bite. That's the secret to bakery-quality treats at home. Dough ready? On to the next step. You're almost there, and the best is yet to come. You're halfway to cookie glory. Let's chill the dough and let those flavors mingle. Soon you'll be baking up a batch of pure happiness. Cover your dough and chill it for at least 30 minutes. This keeps cookies thick and chewy. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees or 175 degree fan. Line baking trays with parchment for easy removal. Scoop dough into balls, about walnut-sized, and space them well on the tray. Don't flatten, keep them tall for chewy cookies. Shaping is fun. Get everyone involved. Once your trays are ready, it's time for the grand bake. The oven awaits. Let's get these beauties baking. Slide your tray of cookie dough onto the middle shelf of a preheated oven and bake the cookies for 10-12 minutes. This is the moment where the magic happens. as the dough transforms into golden, delicious cookies. Keep an eye on them. They should be golden at the edges, but still soft and slightly underbaked in the center. That's the secret to a perfect chewy cookie. Once out of the oven, let the cookies rest on the tray for 5 minutes. This allows them to finish setting up and makes them easier to handle without breaking. After that, carefully transfer each cookie to a wire rack to cool completely. This step helps them keep their perfect texture, crisp on the outside, soft inside. The kitchen will soon be filled with the most amazing aroma, warm, sweet, and utterly irresistible. But try to be patient and let them cool a bit before you dive in for a taste. If you can't resist, test one while it's still warm. The gooey, melted chocolate and soft center are simply irresistible, and you'll get that first magical bite. Store the rest in an airtight container to keep them fresh for days, if they last that long. These cookies tend to disappear quickly. For a secret twist that will wow everyone, sprinkle a pinch of flaky sea salt on each dough ball just before baking. This little touch elevates the flavor to a whole new level. The salty crunch paired with the sweet, melty chocolate is a total game changer. Each bite is a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Congratulations! You've completed the quest. Ultimate cookies achieved. Take a moment to celebrate your baking victory. Now, put the kettle on, pour yourself a cup of tea or milk, and enjoy your well-earned treat. There's nothing better than fresh cookies and a cozy drink. Whether you share them with friends or keep them all to yourself, you've done a cracking job, baker. Enjoy every bite. You've earned it.